Want to know how to redeem the gift card on Amazon and having a problem with it? You are into a correct place. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to redeem a gift card for Amazon. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So people, for simply redeeming the gift card on Amazon, first of all, you will be logged into an Amazon account. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. I'm going to tap on the profile icon right next to the home page over here, which is going to take me to my profile. So you can see various option of your orders, buy again, and lots of it. So I'm simply going to scroll it and drag it down to the very end. You can see over here the gift card balance, which is currently $0.00 on my account. I'm going to tap on the redeem gift card option, which is present over here. And this is going to simply take me to another page where you can see of scanning my claim code. I'm going to tell you one of the important stuff, that the code which is going to be scanned on can be into a physical form or into an e-code as well. So both of them you can use any way you love it. So if you do have a physical claim code, you can scan on them simply by tapping on the scan your claim code like this, and you can scan on again. So getting back again over here. But if you do have a physical card, you can enter simply like this, and the important stuff you can enter over here, and with it you can tap on the apply to your balance, which is present just below. So this is how you do it, guys. This is how you redeem a gift card on Amazon. So I hope this video was really helpful for you, and for more videos and updates you can visit our channel. Till then, I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.